Hey guys, David here. Before we start off this video, really quickly, this message here, I just want to show you guys a little bit of my setup here for the monitor. So this is the new monitor that I just bought. The video should have been up yesterday. If you've seen it, this is the new monitor, and these are the, let me get out of the way. These two are all the monitors that I use that I've had before. So before we start, I just want to show you guys a little bit of how it's set up, how it's done, as well as just tell you guys really quickly that if you haven't seen that video of the unboxing of the monitor, I would check that out first, because this unboxing for today is going to be a sort of like continuation part 2 of the unboxing from yesterday. So if you watched that video, you pretty much already know what I'm going to be unboxing. That being said, we'll get transition over to the table to actually finish off this video and get to the actual meat of this video, which is the unboxing. I'll see you guys there. See you later. All right, and we are back here. So thank you so much for joining me for another one of my unboxings. As I mentioned before, this is a part 2, so make sure you check out the first unboxing of my Dell monitor. Link somewhere up above in the description, anywhere. Check that out first before you continue with this video. That being said, let's get this unboxing started here and get as fast as possible. So we're gonna be cutting through. This box is really huge. It came from Amazon. And also, as we're doing this, make sure leave a comment down below. Let me know, do you like these unboxing videos? Do you want me to make more of these unboxing videos? Like, do you guys like them? Let me know down below. That being said, first thing we're taking apart is our Vivo mount. So this is gonna be a VESA adapter for Dell monitors. Moving on, we put this on the ground actually. This thing's really heavy here. Got ourselves a desk mount. Yep, that's right. So again, I mentioned this in the unboxing video, so you already know this, but we are getting ourselves another mount for my desktop desk, because I have 3 monitors now and I want to collapse them and make them a little bit better organized and have them a little bit more functional than the way they are before. Moving on, we got a little instruction manual here with all the parts that we need to construct this guy out of here. We'll leave these guys for last here, and we'll open that in just 1 second. So right off the bat, when you look at the box, hopefully you can see that right there, we got ourselves a lot of stuff in the front. We got ourselves, it looks like this is the middle section. This is a three monitor stand, so this is the middle section right here. It's going to pop, at least I believe it is. It looks like it is. You know, it should stand like here, and this should be able to flip up somehow. Yeah, it's going to flip up and hold in the middle. So we got that guy right here. Then next we have ourselves looks like a stand, a place to actually hold this guy up here. So looks like you can go this way, place it down here, and tie it up. So that's pretty cool, actually really cool right here. They're doing something like that. So links, if you guys are interested in this mount, by the way, links down in the description to the Amazon page for exactly what I bought. It was expensive. It was about $100 and it was a $15 coupon, so it was $120 or something like that. Altogether, I think it was about $150 with the mount here. This was about $28 here. So a little bit on the pricier side, but I was looking for something that's really sturdy, really looks like it's made out of metal. It's not just cheap plastic. So this guy is actually really, really heavy. So it's a good way of knowing that this is gonna be able to handle the weight here of my monitors and actually be a sturdy device that's not just get toppled over and you know, be stupid all the time. So we got ourselves another VESA mount here that's gonna connect to the white arms that we have here. So we have another one of these guys, and it looks like I think we could get a couple of these out. I don't think you guys can see exactly everything that's in there, but that's totally fine, because you know, all the same. We got ourselves, looks like the middle piece here that looks like it's gonna go somewhere in the middle or something. There's a lot of pieces to this. I thought it was gonna be maybe put together already, but it looks like you actually have to put this all together. This is the first time actually using a desk mount, so this could be really interesting. So we got ourselves another one of these VESA mounts holders, whatever their name is. Then we got ourselves another arm, so this connects to the arm right here. Sorry if I'm going really fast. I'm just trying to make this video pretty short. So it looks like this is going to connect somewhere either like this, and this is going to be sort of the holder. This could go in the middle. So it looks like actually It's gonna look something like this, I'm gonna assume, and then you could be able to move this around all that you want. So hopefully you guys can see that whole image here of how its shirt in the end look like. So going through the box, as you see, this is still the first half. Like, I don't know if there's anything under this. Actually, there might. Oh, there is. So this is just the first half here. It's just basically all the huge components. So first impressions, if anyone is considering getting a wall mount, highly recommend checking out just this company in general. I don't know the name of it. Link down below. But checking out, maybe you don't need 3 monitors, but if you just need 2 or 1, I believe they have that as well. So definitely look into this, because this is really hard material that isn't going to break on you, isn't going to mess up on you. So again, we'll see. I'll do a quick review with the setup as well, see how it ends out being. But from right now, what I'm seeing, I'm really impressed with the quality. It's really heavy, which is, it's a downside because it makes everything a lot heavier. So your desk has to be able to hold all this weight. But at least I know that when I put something heavy on this, it's not going to topple over. It's going to be really strong. So anyways, we're going to move on to the next part here. So it looks like we're just finishing off with a couple components here inside the box. Screws, things like that. And yep. So we got ourselves a huge row of screws all over the place. We also got ourselves the middle tube, I believe. That's going to be screwed on. This could be the center hold here. This could go in the middle of everything. So, again, it's probably going to go looking like that in the middle. I don't know if you can see this or not, but it's going to look something like that. So this is going to be the middle. In the middle of the center here is going to be my one monitor, and then this guy right here is going to be able to provide the other monitor here. So, again, let's see how this all turns out. Hopefully it fits well in my room and works out. So sorry about that noise. I know it's probably deafening in the ears. Then we got sort of some more clips for what those are, as well as just some extra sort of things that we put together for when we need to. There's also 2 boxes here. Get that out of the way. It's really heavy. Just let's see. Oh, looks like we have another arm part here. Okay, yeah, I guess this guy right here, which is on the top, and this is basically the same thing. Just that this time it's in one of these boxes, so I guess they just were trying to fit it as much as possible. And then another one, we have another arm. So I guess there's 3 arms here. I don't know if this may be to extend it. Yeah, it looks like, see, actually, if you guys can't see that, I actually put one here. So this looks like it's an extra extender. But anyways, these are the desktop mounts here for a 3-way monitor setup. So again, this was the, here we go, Huron gas spring aluminum LCD monitor desktop. So again, really high quality things here. There's going to be, the link. Go ahead, check it out. It's a little pricier. It's about $120, I believe. There's a $15 coupon code going on right now. I don't know if it's still going to be there as this video gets uploaded, but I would highly recommend checking that guy out and seeing how that all works. So anyways, we could go ahead and open this guy as well. So this was the adapter for the VESA mount. So because one of my monitors actually doesn't have VESA compatibility right off the bat, I had to buy an adapter here that basically you would hook this part up to the back of my monitor, that actually, instead of having the stand there, this is the guy right here, and then you would put these 2 together and have yourself a compatible stand here. So that's something I really need to focus on and making sure I got as well, so I can actually be compatible with all my 3 monitors here. Oh my god, there's a ton of components here. So overall, a quick opinion right off the bat, it's really high quality. I really appreciate the fact that it's super high quality. I was not expecting as many parts to it, to be fully honest with you. I thought it was going to be all collapsed somewhere together, but this looks like it's actually going to be a real little project that we have going on. And anyways, this unboxing took a little bit longer than I expected, so we're gonna leave this video as is, and this is gonna be a continuation with the setup video. I'm just gonna go over how I set everything up. Hopefully that should be a shorter video coming soon next week at some point, I hope. That being said, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll catch you guys in another one of my videos. But before you leave, make sure you hit that subscribe button, leave a like on this video, leave a comment down below if you've ever used a desk mount, if you have multiple monitors, if you find these useful, and if you just, in general, if you like unboxing videos that I'm doing, please leave a like, comment down below. Let me know if you like these unboxing videos, if they're helpful for you or not. That being said, thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys in another one of my videos. Peace out.